Hi, I'm Pagra12 and today we play with this tunnel ramp and we build this network from scratch. It's very easy. There are several parameters. You can play with the number of the sides and also how many stripe colors and many other things I will show you on a go. So I named this tunnel ramp mainly because it is a ramp. So yeah, let's start this from scratch. Let me close here. And what I would like to build, it's a line on a x-axis and having one of the ends moving in a noise manner. So let's first have a constant chop, and we go with a resolution 1280, and let's go with steps for how many points I'm defining my line. Okay, so let's go with 32 for now. Okay, so I have a 0, 1 on z-axis. That is the direction. I can define that with a constant of 1 pixel by 1 pixel. So 1 by 1, this is 32 RGB. Okay, and as a value, it takes 0, 0, 1. Okay, now since we need 32 points, let's go with group and drag this. So let me open this one. It's much better. Okay, drag this 32 for the group right. Okay, now I want to interpolate the points, those points between 0 and 1. And I can do that by having a ramp here and leave it like that. As a default, it comes with the operation multiply. Okay, this is good. We can take a sneaky peek here. So yeah, we have the points. You can see them on a z-axis. Okay, and now if we go with a noise, let's go with noise. And yeah, let's have for this noise in the output only the noise. Okay, and right now the values are RGB. I only need RG as on a z-axis. I want to have a nice equally distribution of points. So I'll go with reorder, and for the blue I'll go with 0. Okay, now this noise should be less on one of the ends. So maybe if we go with the ramp, okay, leave it on multiply, then we add those two like this. And yeah, let's see now. Obviously the noise is a bit too crazy, so let's reduce the scale to 0.2. And yeah, make this moving by having translate on z abs time dot frame divided by 4 or way more. Okay, so 512. Okay, so this is good. I would like to have the motion on the opposite end. So maybe if I use a flip here, flip on X, yeah. Now the 001, it's steady. This is what we need. Okay. Now I would like to add on those points some polygons. Okay, let's go on constant chop and define points being how many points the polygon will have. So if we go with 4, maybe it's a square. Okay, but yeah, let's go with 5. So in order to build this, we use a ramp, and this one is how many points by 1. Okay, and this is 32 mono. let's make nearest pixel to see better. Okay, now I want to multiply this with math with 2pi. So here I will have math.pi multiplied by 2, and right after a function top, for which I'll take cosine for the red and sine for the green, also radians here, and the whole texture is 32 RG. Okay, now we have those points in a circle distribution, and we need to have as many of those circles, let's say polygons, how many steps we have. So if we group now with the number of steps, okay, we are good. And yeah, just let's see if we add those two together. Let's switch the order, because this one is 32, this one is 160. Okay, so let's switch here. The bottom one is RG only, so I set this add to take RGB. Okay, and now we have this. Okay, which is not bad yet. So I would like to have those polygons smaller and smaller. Okay, so let's see how we do this. So obviously we need a ramp. So let's have a ramp, and we go with how many steps we have by 1. It's 32 mono. Okay, and this I want to multiply this. Okay, we go with nearest pixels. And yeah, it's pretty good. So let's check this noise. The scale it's 2. Let's go with a period of 2. Okay, now it's much easier to see. And those points, I would like to use them to switch some points that are already in a 3D shape, and that shape, it's a tube. So let's go with the tube. Okay, and for the rows we take steps, and for the points we take columns. Okay, now if we take a chop 2, with this operator we can switch the points. Okay, so right here in the top we take the points into a chop. We don't need alpha, and this texture goes here, and I have R, G and B. Okay, now this is good, but as I said, I want to have the bigger polygon at the end, at the steady end. Okay, so that means I need to use a flip here, maybe like this. And now it's good because we can put the camera here. Okay, and we see through that tunnel. So let's go into a geometry with this. Okay, let's have a camera and a render. So a render. Okay, let's have this resolution for the render also. Okay, render, let's have this 32 mono. Okay, and yeah, use a constant. So like this. Now, yeah, it's good, but everything is white. Okay, now I would like to see this result. So we'll have a look at this final. final top. Okay. And you see sometimes the tip is not actually at sharp, okay? And this is because we need a limit here and force this ramp between 0, 1, and now we good, okay? And how about the colors? The colors that I would like to have is the ramp, right? Now, we also have a ramp here. You see the blue channel, okay? Now, what if I'll have the blue channel for the colors? The colors are CD0. Okay, let's copy this 2 more times. So CD1 and CD2. Okay, and we'll have this B 3 times more. Okay, and now we have the nice ramp. Okay, here at this camera you can go smaller, and depends on what polygon you have. Yeah, you may put it far away or closer, or yeah, who knows. Okay, so okay, once we have this, I would like to give it a little bit of a shading. Okay, so sorry about the noise. I believe yeah, my neighbor, it's working something. So for this shading, I can easily take the normal top and just connect it here. Okay, and now with the monochrome, so yeah, I can multiply those two, and we have this. Or only the shading is looking like this. Now you notice there are some straight lines, and here you might see some triangles sometimes. Okay, and yeah, this is because the step, it's way too small. So I can increase this, and the normal texture becomes much smoother. Okay, but I want something else here. I would also want to have some steppy colors. Okay, and we can do this by having either a level here. Let me switch the delete this. Okay, so either we have a level or a limit with quantize, and in this step I want to have some floors. Okay, so 1 divided by 16 will give me the 16 floors. Okay, now let's have this in a parameter like slices. Okay, so 16. Okay, now let's drag this here. 1 divided by 16. Okay, but I would also like to have some colors and have something as like stripes and so on. Okay, and how we do this, I'd like to use a lookup. So we use a lookup, right, with another ramp. So this ramp should be only 1 pixel on Y. Okay, like this. Okay, and yeah, let's set this to 32 mono. Okay, nothing happened. But the moment I play with the period, you see, we have this. So let's drag the slices for the period. Okay, 1 divided by. And how about having those move? Okay, like this. So let's have an LFO chop. Okay, and we take the ramp. The frequency, we go 0.0725. Okay, and now we have a matte and we rearrange the values from 0, 1 to -1 to 1, and use this channel here at the phase. Okay, now they are coming, they are moving and coming through to the screen. Okay, for the colors, okay, I like to use another lookup actually. So let me copy this. Okay, I copy this because the phase is good. I want to have the same phase, because the stripes will move and the colors should moving with the same speed. So, but for the period, I go to 1. Okay, and let's have a noise here, noise stop, because this one give us the colors. Okay, so yeah, let's use the same resolution like this, and this one should be not monochrome, obviously, 32 mono. Okay, yeah, but the colors are nice, but are not well defined in between the edges. You can't see them. Okay, and let's have I believe you can have it either here or right after the lookup. You can have something like level with steps. Okay, so yeah, steps are the same as slices, 1 divided by, and now my colors, you see the ramp from which the colors are judged. Okay, now it has those steppy edges. So yeah, now let's multiply, maybe composite those two, and now I multiply them with my colors. And this is maybe it's too dark. You can always play with this composite. Okay, and if you want to have just straight lines, black and colors, and not that this rampy texture, you can go here, use the matte, and just go with round, and you have this. Okay, now yeah, this is how you build this tunnel, and yeah, let's go with steps maybe 32, because I want to check something. If the points are way more, okay, you have a circle, and there's a little edge on this, and yeah, I would like to solve this. This is 32. Okay, I believe if we use a fit here, right, and this should give us 1 pixel texture, but here it's steps multiply with points. So okay, and we want to fill this. Okay, so yeah, but this doesn't solve this. So yeah, let me see what's causing this, because oh, okay, you see we have some strange edge here. So yeah, the moment I set everything to nearest pixel, everything is good now. So yeah, the tunnel looks smoother now. And one thing that you might like is using a function right here, and I'll go with exponent, and if you change this, it might look like you elongate the tunnel, okay? And I would like to end this by showing you another thing. Let's go back to 5 edges, okay? And yeah, it's nice that the tunnel is moving, but I would also like to have it rotate some crazy manner, okay? Some noisy thing, okay? And what if we do like this right here, where we have those polygons points. Let's see them, okay? I would rotate them with point transform. Okay, now if I go with some rotation value here, 270, you see everything it's getting rotated, right? Everything. Now I would like to have the bigger polygons steady, and so the rotation would take place further away. So for that, let's see. I want some we'll go like this. No, it's the other one, this ramp. No, okay, now it's good. Because of this rotation, okay, the edges in the normals are much visible, okay. But yeah, if you increase this to a higher number, you will be fine, okay. So yeah, and the FPS will suffer just a bit. It's not a crazy decrease in FPS, okay. And yeah, this was my tutorial, and you'll have this file on my Patreon, and I hope you like it. And I want to wish every one of you a happy new year, and I would also like to thank my patron for the support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.